Greetings, welcome back to PinkOddBird. Today, Earthlings, we are here to take a look at this little spacey, kind of crystal-y collection that I've been working on for about 17 decades. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I know I have this one here, but this one is actually already spoken for. It was actually the reason why all the rest of these came along. This one I will not be making, this one, I won't be showing it in this video. I will be making it live a little bit later, probably either Monday, Tuesday, somewhere around there. This one I am going to set to the side for now. But I do have these soft covers available. I will be sharing the flip through of these with you today. For now, what we're going to do is take a look at these. I have two that are a little bit on the more kind of plainer Janer side. Plain Jane. And then you can see the difference. I have these two that are obviously much more embellished, and I will be sharing the flip through of these two as well. So I think I will get started with, which one should we do? Maybe we'll alternate. So let's start with this one. All right, so here we go. This one, I think this one, it's a little bit more spunky and it's a little bit brighter, and I just love the colors on it. So we're gonna call this one Spunky. So I just have it closed with Sari Silk, and because this one is a fabric cover, but the fabric is really, really cool, I made a optional, I'm going to call it an optional glue down cover. So if you want to, you can glue this cover down completely and let it be your cover, or make it a pocket. That's up to you, but this is how it looks. It's just a little collaged piece. But the actual cover, I left it like this because I think it's so pretty. I just love the way you can see like all the different planets and stars, the moon, you know, little galaxy blurbs that they put into the fabric. I love this fabric. So that is what it looks like underneath. So I'll leave the choice up to you if you want to glue that down or not. So opening up. So we do have a lot of different kits in this. I'm gonna try and save time by not calling every single one out, but if you have questions on something that I don't mention, let me know. However, there are a few things in here that are kind of like brand new, just like this piece, which my friend Priscilla at ReleasetheCraftin has these really cool stationery pieces for celestial and for crystals. And those are available in her Etsy shop, so I will be sure to link those down below. Really fun, just like stationery pieces that you can add in to your books. So I did do a little bit of stamping always. Actually, not always. I won't say always, because these books do have stamping, but the Plain Jane books, they don't. So we've got some ephemera here, another little tag that I made, and then we've got, there's 4 charms on this book. So on this side, we have another piece of ephemera, and then I made these really fun shaker tags, and they have some little fun celestial type pieces inside, and then a few little pieces of ephemera. But I love this paper. It's like that gilded, marbled paper. All right, so moving on. Plenty of space to add your own elements. Plenty of space. Dun, dun, dun. And some more ephemera down here. Another little collage tag. There's some fabric collages on here as well. I also want to thank you guys all so much for leaving Quick Draw Jess so many kind comments on that video of the book of hers that I shared. She did ask me to extend thanks to everyone, and she was absolutely in love with all of your comments and just very humbled and very grateful. So thank you guys for showing her so much love. I mean, that's kind of what it's all about here on the old Odd Flock side of town. You know, we share, we lift each other up, and that's just what we do. So more ephemera. Also, these tags are new from my friend Priscilla, ReleasetheCraftin. These are her celestial tags, which I love because they could also double as bookmarks. There's the center. She's also got the crystal ones. This one I printed it in black and white, but they do come in color. To do a little punching in here. These are my digital pages of, I mixed them up. So the digital papers that I have in my shop where I hand dyed these and put them up for, you know, digital printing, that's what these are. And I mixed both of those up, but they're both in my Etsy shop. So here is another shaker envelope, but the shaker is on the bigger part of the envelope, not the fold over flap. So a little Hermelinda tag. And another, I think these are MrsCog. I love these little stamps that I have. They're so spacey looking. So here we have another one of those stationery pieces from ReleasetheCraftin. I just sprayed on the inside of them. And there we are. Last couple little tags. In the back we have one more of these Franken tags. Some more little ephemera in here. There's my stamp, and that is the end of Spunky. I really love the colors of this, and I try to match the charms with like the vibrancy of the cover. So, all right, that's Spunky. Okay, so let's do one that's one of the plain Janes. We'll just call this one Sky is the Limit. This is a paper cover journal. Very, you know, nice standard journal. So there are some bits of ephemera in here. I did do a little bit of sewing. There's my digital pages again, but you can see the difference, obviously. This is more of a build it up yourself type of a journal. Beef it up, alter it, do all the fun things that you would like to do. But there we go. Center of all the light from the stars and moon and sun, you, my dear, shine the brightest. More little pieces there. And you can move these around and make them pockets or whatever you want to do. You could write on the backs of them. It's up to you. If you are new to these kinds of books. I also did, oh yeah, never mind. Oh, there we go. I knew I did. Like, I also did some fresh dyed papers. So where these are the ones that I previously did and scanned in so that everyone can, you know, get these in my Etsy shop. I did do some fresh ones in all of the books as well. So there's freshly new dyed papers. This is a tuck spot. Really pretty. And this is a Calico Collage kit that I used in here. And that is it for this one. So that is Sky is the Limit. As you can see, a nice and basic journal, just really made for writing and decorating yourself. All right, so that is that one. Moving on over, this one is going to be called Celestial. Again, I have it closed with the Sari Silk. So this one also is a fabric cover, and it has the glue down optional cover. If you want to use it as such, you just glue it right on. But this is the fabric, and I think it's a really pretty spacey glittery fabric, but I love, you know, like the little clouds and planets and stuff, so I will leave it optional for you to glue down, but this is the way the cover actually looks. So I'm going to flip through this one quickly also. There's some more of that stationery, some really pretty ephemera. Priscilla also has these crystal labels in her shop, which are perfect if you have a book where you want to keep track of your crystals. Super perfect. Little lace pocket. And here is an envelope where the base of the envelope is the shaker. And this book is mostly using the kit from Liana Scrap. And here's another. I left these tucked into the center. There's some ephemera in here, and then another shaker envelope. There's the center, and another crystal tag. Some more collage tags and such. These do have like the little labels, washi tape here and there, so stamping. So definitely, you know, more details to it. This one also has 4 charms on it. Some more stationery and ephemera. There's my stamp, and that is Celestial. Okay, last up we have the Last Plain Jane. The only difference is this one is a fabric cover, and you can see it's this really cool holographic fabric. So on this one we have a little pocket up at the top, and then I just have this little tag for it. And then we have a little sentiment here. Got all your ephemera in there. And I believe this is a Calico Collage kit also. More stuff back here. There's my stamp, and that is, we'll call this one Crystal, because this is looking like a crystal, like a gem. So that will be Crystal. All right, so those are the 4 that I have for today. And I will have these up in my Etsy shop. All of the details will be in the description box below. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. And if you're watching this in the future, the books will be there until they're not. So I think that is going to be it for today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up and drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think. So that is going to wrap it up for me for now. Be sure to stay tuned because you never know what direction this odd flock of ours is heading into. And until next time, toodaloo.